Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Hey man, real quick, I gotta come clean. My energy might be a bit off today, you know, I might not be in the coolest mood I can be. I just got a call from the vet, you know, that I gotta put down my childhood puppy on Saturday. She's got a lot of cancer and stuff going on, and if you guys have been watching the channel for a long time, she's been on many videos. This is my dog Daisy. She lives with my mom now. She used to live with my dad and I, you know, before he passed away. So it was our dog, and that kind of makes it extra hard. She was like something that still kind of kept my dad alive, you know, because like she was ours. I don't know. Anyway, sucks. It is what it is. Unfortunately, I've dealt with, not fortunately, I guess, but I've dealt with a lot of like pretty big death in my life. Fortunately, I find YouTube helps me get my mind off things for a little bit. But I am gonna say editing might be kind of shoddy, because I gotta go visit her right away. But it's, you know, life goes on, man. Still gotta film for the boys. Back in action, we're back in the action again. Lame, super sad start to a video, but hey man, I share my life with y'all. That's how it is. Long story short for this video, man, you guys might know that moissanite jewelry is just popping off in the jewelry market right now. If you guys don't know what moissanite diamonds are, sorry, it's on your jewelry. It's pretty much the best fake diamond you can get. They're CZ diamonds. Those can look good, they can look shoddy, blah, 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 blah. Moissanite diamonds, long story short, are ones that can actually pass diamond testers almost 100% of the time. That's why so many people love them. And they do go for more than regular like CZ diamonds or regular fake diamonds, but not as much as the real ones. So if you're trying to fake flex, which I think everyone's trying to do nowadays, which is fine, do what you need to do. That's why I'm putting out this video for you. But that's not it, man. We're not just gonna unbox moissanite jewelry. I gotta one-up it. We're gonna try to unbox the cheapest moissanite jewelry I could find for you guys on a budget, trying to fake flex or whatever it is. Give your girlfriend some nice fake ring for her birthday or even for a freaking wedding. Who knows? You'll never know. I actually found this off Wish, the website that's notorious for just selling a bunch of crap. We've bought a lot of things off Wish, from lights, which, you know, they're not as good as your standard brand, but they still work, to crap jewelry. They had some moissanite jewelry on there. I had to check it out. The thing they're also known for is lying about how sick their product actually is. So I'm a little skeptical with these price ranges that we found with this jewelry we're about to unbox that it's actually gonna pass a diamond tester, but that's why we're making the video. Got a diamond tester right here. We got a $500 one in the drawer right over there. If it passes this, then we're gonna take it to the real one that jewelry stores have. Without further ado, here's the cheapest diamond moissanite jewelry on the internet. This is one take, boys. I'm just not doing anything more today. Just be happy. We're toast. Package engaged. Thumbs up, comment if you want to support the channel. That would rock. First thing, card. Weird. Don't want it. Second thing. Oh, this is gonna be a rough one. Don't frickin' get mad, Brand. I told you guys, Wish lies a lot. Now, this was only like 20 bucks or something like that. I'll tell you right now, boys. This is, yeah, this isn't moissanite. Oh, how can you tell, Brand? Because they're glued on there like goddamn, what do the girls have at like raves and stuff? They glue on their face just like little gemstones. They're not even supposed to be fake diamonds. We got little rocks here that are colorful. Bad start. This is crap. Okay, diamond test. Let's diamond test this one and move on to the next. I can already tell you this isn't gonna pass. And in their titles on Wish, bro, they actually did say that it was moissanite jewelry. So maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's just horrible quality moissanite. We're gonna wait for this to heat up for a second. Sorry, I'm gonna just talk, and editing's gonna be bad. I already said it. We're already in the worst lighting of the house right now. It is what it is. Boys, I think she's ready. She's about to be engaged. She's heated up. Put it to the fore. Let's see if this moissanite jewelry, the cheapest I can find, suffices. Yeah, you could suck a big dick for this one, Wish. Garbage. Alright, next! We got a few items today, boys. Hopefully we don't have to destroy any more things. Oh, first off, actually, I'm just putting this in the video because I saw it on a website. We did an unboxing from this website the other day. This isn't for any sort of regular video. It's not moissanite or anything, but I had to show you this. I had to buy it to show you guys, to be honest. This might be the coolest pendant I've ever seen ever. This is pretty much FU on it. I just thought it was sick. I think it's from the Goo Shop. G-U-U Shop, not sponsored. Don't know why I said their name because we're not getting paid for it, but I thought that was hilarious. Just had to buy it to show you in a video. Next for the moissanite. Yeah, where is it? Oh god. Yeah. Anytime your jewelry gets packaged like this and this, like this is rolled up in some sort of mini sock. I might get more use out the damn packaging than I will off the ring. I think this one's the ring. This one's the ring. Another moissanite piece from Wish, boys. One thing's gotta pass. That was my one goal, to give you guys some cheap. This is sick, actually. Let's go. Dang, this is gonna be hard to test. You guys know I'm mad shaky and I don't even think I can test this. So this is the ring we found. I think this was about 30 bucks. Once again, moissanite being a little more expensive. I don't know how we're gonna test this. This clearly isn't moissanite. That I don't think is what they're saying. I think it's the diamonds around it. I'm already freaking out. They're too small. I don't even think those are diamonds on there. What the f is it? Oh no, the diamonds are just right around that big stone. That's where the diamonds are. These are just shiny pieces of metal. Okay, so that's not bad though. Maybe we can still, you know, if somebody comes up to you, they want to test your stuff, well, you just direct them to these diamonds and maybe not the metal around it. These aren't even diamonds, bro. Testing engaged. Nothing. Nothing. Sorry for the rage. You Wish. We're on to the last. I don't even remember what this is. God, I knew this wouldn't work. In my head, I knew this wasn't gonna work out for us, boys. It was just too good to be true, and Wish are just pathological liars. Don't sue me, it's my opinion, Wish, please. This one right here probably has a better chance of passing the diamond tester than probably what's inside of this. I'll tell you that for free. Cool box though, I wish I didn't rip it. That's kind of sick. That's how I'm gonna ask my girlfriend to marry me at one point in time if I ever grow up. I'm just gonna give her a box like this. It's sparkly, it looks expensive. What do you mean? What do you mean you're upset with me? Oh damn, I forgot I got these. This is the one I was actually really stoked for, because as you guys can see right here, these are real diamond earrings, but they look crappy. They're very cheap. If these can pass a diamond tester, these ones right here, the last freaking thing we have, I think I spent 50 bucks total almost, maybe a little more, maybe a little less, I'm not actually sure. If these can pass a diamond tester, these are the next ones we're maybe not. Those look like mini castles. I'm gonna look like an asshole with those. They're cool. I just don't know if I could pull them off. What a weird style. I've seen this style many times. I've actually seen real moissanite earrings of this style on the internet for like 400 bucks. We're gonna diamond test right now. Dear God. Please have a happy ending in this video. If there's no happy ending, at least this was a happy ending right here. I think this piece is absolutely phenomenal. I've never seen any piece like that. You guys know I don't rock any fake jewelry, but I might have to wear this just as a little goof. All right, last up. Talking a lot because I'm looking at the screen right now. We still got to get it to 8 minutes so this video at least shares, although I don't know who wants to be put in a bad mood. Which this video is only going to make anyone sad, I feel like. Anyway, okay, we're going to put it to the 4 prongs, green. Let's go, baby. Moissanite, engaged. There we go. There we go. Move up, baby. Let's go. Okay. Not that one. Let's try that. Let's go, baby. I'm not throwing these. These are too small. The dog I have right now, that's still healthy, she eats one of these, it's gonna hurt her. So we're not gonna, I'm glad I have a little bit of self-control here. Wait, what the heck? Oh, I thought this was a chain that came with one. No, we got something for free. Crappy little black heart. What the hell is that? I can't get mad at freebies, but this is a freebie that you can get mad at. Why did they send that to me? I just feel like if you're gonna give something for free, it's gotta be a little bit better than this, or it's just like, or just don't include it at all. You know? It's just kind of a slap in the face. It's like, this is all we can afford to give you. I'm just joking. Anyway, boys, moissanite jewelry on Wish. At least the ones that I bought, it's all lies. It's all deception. And more importantly, man, I think they're just trying to ruin your life with this, you know? How dare they? How dare they do this to us? Okay, that's it. I'm sorry it didn't work out. I was very stoked about this video. Wrong day for it, though. Appreciate y'all for watching. Working the game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. Blah. We did it, though. We still got up a video today. Now I'm going to go back to being sad.